Hi everyone, welcome back to our scene, and this is going to be a short video. We are going to see how we can create skid marks, tire marks in Roadscape. So this is pretty easy to do. All you have to do is just go back into your asset library, and you have to select the skid marks generator, drop it into the scene, select it, Alt S, Alt R, Alt G to reset its position transforms. And then you can come into edit mode and simply select what is already there. So we can just probably delete all of this and select only this edge. Activate the face project again. And we are going to simply probably just draw something around here. So what you can do, you can simply select the vertices and start drawing your skid mark, your tire mark. So you can extrude, you can change the width as well on each point, okay? And so the last step that we need to do, we simply need to go into the skid mark generator and select the Roadscape object in order to make it so that it stick onto the surface of the Roadscape object, okay? And as you can see, we created quite quickly skid marks onto our terrain. So this is how you can do it. I'm going to do it again just for the purpose. So you just go back into edit mode. You can select this one, put it here, and we can simply, as you can see, create some very easy skid marks on turns and stuff like that. Let's say something that would make sense probably. And yep, that's it guys. That's how you create skid marks and tire marks in Roadscape. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.